Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locating a no-copyright song that fits your project. First, search known libraries and filter by license type so you avoid surprises. Once found, download the original high-quality file and immediately save the metadata, title, artist, license line, and any required attribution. Make sure to note whether commercial use or modifications are permitted. If the license requires attribution, prepare the exact phrasing. This sets a clean chain of evidence and prevents later rework when you bring the audio into your editor. You now prepare the track for your video, import into your editor or DAW, and perform essential edits. Normalize and trim to match pacing, remove background noise, and balance levels so dialogue and music don't compete. Once done, check license restrictions. Some allow edits, others do not, so avoid disallowed derivatives. Then export at the correct bitrate and container for your platform while embedding metadata fields like artist and license. Make sure the final file preserves the attribution text if the license demands it. You finish by publishing the video and ensuring compliance on the platform. Add the exact attribution and license text in the description or end credits, and link to the license name when allowed. After upload, monitor for claims or takedowns and keep proof: saved license pages, screenshots, and your download record. If a claim appears, dispute it calmly with your documentation and the license line. If that fails, remove the track and replace it promptly. That one troubleshooting step prevents strikes and preserves your channel standing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.